Okay, time to open the box. Should I get all your information?
Sure. Receipt.
Who cares? The one? Yep. Must have pissed in there. See it right there.
Yep.
Whoa. The spider. Cool looking.
It's like neon green. It's weird.
A lot of white. Huh.
Yeah.
Hold up closer so you can see it. Spider. Female, right?
Yeah.
Cool. From N.E.R.D. And the person that got it right is Reptile13. He guessed like 30 things. He did. So that's the new spider. We'll show a better video of it later.
Along with some other ones.
And some other ones. So keep watching. Hey, what's up YouTube? Just gonna show you guys 2 new ads, not including the one from N.E.R.D. These are, we did a trade for the lesser, so we traded the lesser yesterday to a local reptile shop, Harrison Wonderland, for these 2 guys. One male, one female. First up, I'll show you guys. And here we have female, actually no, male yellow belly here. You guys can see right there. Nice male yellow belly. This is actually a sub-Saharan yellow belly, so it's going to get pretty huge. We'll be breeding this into some stuff. Maybe get some like cool morph sub-Saharans. And then next up is female pinstripe. Now, some people are probably saying, okay, why do you have 2 pinstripes, male and female? Because next year we're planning on just banging out tons of combos. Like the male pinstripe, we'll be going with I think the pastel, and then so we'll get a lemon blast. So I think they are, and then we're just gonna have tons of combos. There'll be blue-eyed Lucy's, there'll be spinner blasts, lemon blasts, all kinds of stuff. So we'll have, hopefully next year everything should be ready to go. We'll have tons and tons of babies. But yep, that's the female. So this is actually a pinstripe from a Reptile Nexus. He traded this to the store, to the pet shop, well, the reptile store, and then for something else. And then so we did the trade for the lesser. So this actually came from Reptile Nexus, which is pretty cool. So, but yeah, that's the 2 new morphs. They're in quarantine here, little 6 quarts. So thanks for checking it out, and we'll do an update soon. So peace.